Hello Internet, welcome to Arafat Productions. In this tutorial I will show you how to add text behind any object. Before starting, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for never miss an update. Let's start it. I work with this beautiful photo, which may be took from New York City. Select horizontal type tool. Write your favorite text here. Before type text, I will make it bigger to see what's going on inside. Now I will write here New York. I will make it more bigger. You can change length and height by holding shift and drag. After done, hit enter. Hide the text layer. Before hiding, I will add marker where I need to work. So unhide it, then add a new layer. I will select the area with brush tool to make the selection more easier. Now hide the text layer. Select pen tool. Select the whole building. After done, stick with the first path. Unhide the text layer to see is there anything wrong. It looks great. Now start selecting another building. We don't need layer 3, so I will delete it. Press Ctrl plus Enter to select the selected area. Add a layer mask on this text layer. Don't worry about it. Press Ctrl plus Enter. Press Ctrl plus I to invert it, so it will fix. It looks great. I will add one more text here. Adjust the size and place. This time I will type times here. Adjust the size and place. Select pen tool and select this building. After selecting, press Ctrl plus Enter to select the selected area. Add a layer mask on it. Then invert it by pressing Ctrl plus I on the keyboard. For Mac, press Command plus I to invert it. It looks great. This is for today. Catch you guys on the next video. If you like the video, give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Press the bell icon for never miss an update.